Imagine a world where every detail matters, where every second saved is a step closer to perfection. In this world, there is a game-changing tool, a revolution in the world of soldering, the YIHUA 926LED 4 soldering station. From the very beginning, this product stands out with its promise to transform manual work into an unprecedented experience. The magic begins as soon as you open the box. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This soldering station is the ideal tool for electronics enthusiasts and professionals seeking precision, reliability, and ease of use in their soldering projects. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, it is designed to turn every task into a success. Moreover, you will discover a marvel of technology, a 60V digital soldering station capable of heating up quickly thanks to its ceramic heating element, but this is just the beginning. The true revolution lies in its ability to adjust the temperature from 90 degrees to 480 degrees, equipped with a lock to prevent any accidental adjustments. Imagine the precision, the freedom to create without limits, without interruption. This kit not only provides you with essential tools, but completely reinvents the soldering experience. With its 5 additional soldering tips, 50 grams of lead-free solder wire, and no less than 5 oxidizing hands, it transforms every project into a work of art. Every component, from the desoldering pump to the precision cleaner, has been designed to provide comfort, precision, and efficiency. But the YIHUA 926LED 4 station is not just about improving your work, it also takes care of it. The standby mode, for example, extends the lifespan of the tip and the heating element by detecting inactivity and reducing the temperature, thereby conserving energy and protecting your equipment. It is a station that thinks, adapts, and protects. For those who seek not only to solder, but also to excel, the station offers advanced features such as digital temperature calibration, no more approximations. With YIHUA, Precision, and REN, you will be able to adjust and know the exact temperature of your tip, ensuring impeccable results every time. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. The innovation doesn't stop there. The multiple mounting points and the ability to install the solder wire dispenser on the left or right provide unmatched flexibility. The high-end cleaner with its brass wool and temperature-resistant cover ensures a clean and safe workspace. Every detail has been designed to make your experience smooth and enjoyable. Buying the YIHUA 926LED 4 soldering station means choosing safety, innovation, and quality. With its 1-year European warranty and 24/7 technical support, from the YIHUA team, you are in good hands. Designed to operate at 230 VI and delivered with a Type FUE plug, this station is ready to use right out of the box. With nearly 1,000 reviews and an average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars, this soldering station is not just a tool, it is a reliable partner for all your soldering projects. Whether you are a professional, a generalist, or an amateur, its performance will meet all your expectations. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, fast heating and adjustable temperature. The station heats up quickly thanks to its 60V ceramic heating element, allowing for precise temperature adjustment from 90 degrees to 480 degrees. While the degree is at 480 degrees, at 480 degrees, at 450 degrees, at 480 degrees. Advantage number 2, standby mode for extended lifespan. It automatically switches to standby mode to preserve the soldering iron tip and the heating element, reducing wear and energy consumption. Advantage number 3, digital temperature calibration, allows for precise temperature adjustment based on the tip used, ensuring optimal soldering results. Advantage number 4, flexibility and assistance in work. The multiple fixation points and assisting hands provide great flexibility for holding the components to be solid, making it easier to work on complex projects. Advantage number 5, safety and reliability. Designed with a particular focus on safety, including ESD functionality and the use of lead-free materials for a safer working environment. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, learning curve for beginners. Despite its user-friendliness, beginners may need time to get accustomed to the many features and settings available. Disadvantage number 2, Potential bulkiness. With extra parts, the YIHUA 926 LED free station may take up more space on a workbench than simpler soldering irons. So, if you are ready to transform your soldering technique to gain precision, comfort, and efficiency, there is only one choice to make. Click on the link in the description to order your YIHUA 926 LED IV soldering station at the best price. Learn more and discover the hundreds of customer reviews who have already experienced this revolution. Don't miss this opportunity to push the boundaries of what you thought was possible in soldering. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.